Just reset. There are going to be 3 stages to through its functions. It's going to start with the voice to binary command, then a binary command to the variable resistor, and then the current used to display screen. The first stage is the vocal to binary, and what happens is that you send out your vocal command, so you send out lights 30%. The microphone's going to pick this up, and it's going to send this audio wave to a microprocessor located within the plastic casing. Within this microprocessor is a software called an analog to digital converter, or ADC. And what this does is that it's going to chop up the audio wave by its phonemes. And phonemes are words in the English language that have a harsh pronunciation. So the word stuff, these words have a kind of roughness in their pronunciation. So they're easier to break up by the software. So the word is broken up by its phonemes and matched with other phonemes already programmed within its software library, and they're matched up together so that whenever the program matches the best ones, it puts them back. It converts them to a binary code and then puts them back together to form. Puts the entire command back together into a binary form, and then sends it out. Second stage is that whenever this binary command is finally packaged and ready to go, it's sent to the program on the variable resistor located on the circuit. This program function is to read the binary command, and depending on what X is, we'll go through a series of logic functions to produce. Go through a series of logic functions so that whatever X is, it moves the control arm X degrees on the variable resistor. The final stage is the current used to display screen. And what this is that a tiny ammeter is going to be located at the very output of the circuit board. This tiny ammeter is going to measure how much current is being used and then channel that information to another program located within the microprocessor. This program is going to calculate the monthly cost and then send that information to a display screen where you will see exactly how much energy is being used at that current moment. The projected cost of this program, or for the modifications, will require 40 hours at exactly $50 per hour. We'll be using facilities. I'll be using facilities around campus, the engineering lab, the writing center, and also talking to graduate students about wanting to work and help out with the project. I have an accountant that lives with me, Alejandro Castor, and I'll be paying him $60 an hour for a projected total of 20 hours. Because I live on campus, I won't be having to put in any gas or any mileage expenses on this, and since I'm currently with some scholarships that pay for my school, I don't have to include tuition within the cost as well. This is a schedule of the milestones that I've created for this project. Starts out with drafting the progress report to creating the poster all the way to this presentation. And you can see the dates highlighted here. Now, what are the benefits for you? Well, you can expect a very high return on your investment, which will cover the cost of the project, poster, and presentation, and the knowledge that you're helping to provide one of the basic necessities for any home. Any questions? All right, these are my sources, and thank you very much.